So this is public speaking. Before you go to married or go someone with by your side, make sure that you are in a perfect time of relationship, because for I know all of the different girls are suffering from your life. Yung totoo. Pag namili ka ng babae na maganda, kahit sino yan, puro pagdurusa abutin mo. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kailangan may paliwanag mo lahat, hindi ka pwedeng mamali. Gagawin niya katawa-tawa yung buhay mo. Gagawin ka niyang mukhang tanga. Gagawin ka niyang kahit pag minalaman sa'yo, malam mo matibay ka. Hindi ka lulubayan. Promise, di ka niya lulubayan. Parang ayoko na mag-asawa, tanga na. Ayoko na mag-asawa talaga. Magiging puro pagdurusa yung buhay na natitira sa buhay ko. Hindi nila kayang suportahan, hindi nila kayang sustentuhan yung happiness na hinahanap ko sa buhay. Yung mga tao na yan, mga selfish. Yung mga babaeng ganyan, there are girls that is selfish for herself, because all needed by that girl is all you have, and want to come out to her all you want, that you are working on it, that is working on it. And wag na kayo magpakasal. Mas gusto ko sana siguro, mas pwede na siguro yung pangit, hindi maganda, pero all girls that is gorgeous or beauty has billions of suffering of you. Alright, huwag na kayo magtitiwala sa babae. Hindi na ako papakasal.